What does luscious mean? The word luscious is used to describe something that is very appealing to the senses, especially taste and smell. It usually refers to rich, sweet, juicy food, but can also be used for attractive people, beautiful places, or luxurious textures. If something feels, smells, or tastes really good, it can be called luscious. Definition of luscious. Luscious is an adjective that means richly appealing, delicious, or delightfully luxurious. It can also describe something that gives great pleasure or satisfaction. Luscious synonyms. Delicious, juicy, mouth-watering, sumptuous, delectable, tasty, tempting. Using luscious in sentences. The cake was so luscious, I couldn't stop eating it. She wore a luscious velvet dress that caught everyone's eye. The garden was filled with luscious flowers and fruits. Other ways to use luscious. While often used to talk about food, luscious can also describe a voice that's smooth and soothing, a fragrance that's sweet and rich, textures that are soft and indulgent. Final thoughts. The word luscious adds a layer of richness and desire to whatever it describes. Use it to make your language more vivid, tasty, and expressive.